Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is day 2 of the ice storm here in South Central Kentucky. My area didn't get very much, and today it's pretty clear. It's trying to snow right now, but the roads are clear for the most part. So I am out trying to make a few dollars this morning. It's 9:30. I'm doing DoorDash. I'm on my second order right now, so here I just take you guys along with me for the day. Y'all, I have never been in this hotel, and it's nice. Like, I think me and my husband, we need to do a staycation and book a room here for the weekend because it's nice. Delivered $10. So we're at $19.25, and I've only been on here for what, 45 minutes max probably. Okay, so I just accepted this Instacart order to the vitamin shop. It's $18. Now my husband and I, we ate here, and that is hands down the best restaurant in town. Okay, so how about I just get here to the vitamin shop, and y'all, they are closed. Nobody's in there. All the lights are off, so I'm assuming they just couldn't. They decided to close because of the weather. There's no sign up. Their hours are 9. It's almost 10. So I'm trying to get the order canceled with customer service. I will say this. If you're an Instacart shopper and something like this ever happens to you, don't just cancel the batch. Go through customer service and have them canceled, because you are supposed to get paid for attempting to start the order. So at least that's how it's been in the past. We're going to see if they still do that, but yeah. So we're trying. Okay, and she hasn't done it yet, so we're going to still waiting. Okay, so update, I am supposed to get the batch pay. It doesn't show yet, but as you guys can see, she says it's supposed to show up in 24 hours. Y'all are my witness. So always go through customer service in situations like this. Okay, but I did just get an order for $20. So we're going to do that, and I'll probably call it. I'm not trying to be out here all day. It's cold. I do got to go to the post office and do some errands for myself and stuff. No bread, hardly any meat or fruits, but there is eggs and there is toilet paper this time. Yeah, when did stamps become 74 cents? Like, I guess I missed that memo, because I mean, I just buy them at the machine usually, but to actually, today I went in to the counter and I asked for one. She was like 74 cents. And I just kind of looked at her. Do y'all remember when stamps were like 25 cents, 35 cents? I'm telling my age right now. But, yeah. Or I guess the question is, does anybody still mail stuff? I had to mail our rent check. Yes, I mail a check. We have a private landlord. He doesn't do online payments. I could probably just take him the cash or the check, because he lives in town, but I just drop it in the mail. It's just habit. Because that's how all the places I lived at pretty much done it. You send a check, or if it's an apartment complex, you can pay online. But yeah, 74 cents for stamps. It's really, really dark right there. Like something else is coming. So about to go get my little errands out the way. I'll be done. It is Monday, and I usually coupon on Monday, so I may just go to CVS and see what deals I can find. If you want to learn how to coupon, check out the next vlog, because I'll post that separately. Because in 2025, you do not pay full price, okay? No, let me show you how to get things discounted and or free. Okay, yeah, so it's 12 o'clock. I'm done. Cutting off Instacart. It's cold. I got enough to do what I need to do. I'm about to run in Kroger and pick up a few things that I want. And then we're going home. I never get to get these little babies. I don't cook with this, but I make emergency candles with that. If you guys need a good long burning emergency candle, Crisco is the way to go. I always check the clearance section. It's just habit. I can't help it. I think I'm gonna try that. Now this is a good deal. $5.85 for 2 pounds. Oh, I'm doing it. Okay, so this is how like bad of a couponer I am, or addicted or whatever. So I was gonna get one of these for $1.58. Never used them before in my life. Powdered creamer, but I like peppermint mocha. And I start scrolling my Kroger app. There's a coupon, $5 off 3. Yeah, I'm grabbing 3, and they're all going to be free. Well, I do not be in a hurry about checking them out, because everything in here is a bill. A bill that I get email notifications. Junk. I hate that I didn't get foil from Kroger, because I hate cooking pizzas on the pizza bed. Yes, ranch goes with pizza. Yes, it does. Okay. You really think you're about to eat my pizza? What is wrong with you? Okay, I think we're going to check this out, Bentley. See what it's about. Cool. Yes. Christmas tree light is still being plugged up. Yeah. I've slowly started taking stuff down, which I didn't do a lot. So we're slowly de-Christmasing. My husband said I'll take that down on his day off. I don't care, because it's lights. Maybe change it into a heart or something. Hey, that's the thing. You could change it to a heart for Valentine's Day. Like a flower or a clover for spring. Yeah. I am about to make me a snack. And I guess we're going to close it out here so I can get this edited and posted. I did post the coupon haul if anybody's interested in that. And yeah, I guess we will see you guys on the next vlog. Say bye, Bentley.